Welcome back. Today we're going to learn how to unpin a space on Gmail using your PC with the latest updates. If you've pinned a space but want to remove it from the top of your list, this guide is perfect for you. Let's dive in. First, open your web browser and go to gmail.com. Make sure you're logged into your account to access all your features. Once you're in Gmail, look for the 9 dots next to your profile photo in the top right corner. Click on those dots to open the app launcher and then select Chat from the menu. Now take a look at the left side menu. You'll see an option labeled Spaces. Click on it to view all the spaces you're part of. Next, find the space you want to unpin. When you hover over it, you'll notice 3 dots appear on the right side. Click on those 3 dots to open the Options menu. From the list of options, click on Unpin. This action will remove the space from the top of your list, making your chat area cleaner, and that's it. You've successfully unpinned a space in Gmail. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.